Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to integrate the Wise API step by step so you can automate transfers and account management. Let's get started. Step 1, sign up for a Wise business account. Visit wise.com/business and register. You need a business account to access the API. Step 2, access your API credentials. Once logged in, go to Settings, API Tokens. Click Create New Token, give it a name, and copy the secret token. You'll need it for authentication. Step 3, install the Wise SDK or set up HTTP requests. For Node.js, run npm install at wise/v2, or for other languages, prepare to make standard HTTPS calls to https:/api.transferwise.com/v1. Step 4, authenticate your requests. Include your token in the authorization header. Authorization, bearer, your API token. This lets Wise know you're an approved user. Step 5, create a recipient profile. Send a post request to /v1/profiles, profile ID /recipients with JSON, JSON currency, EUR, type, IBAN, details, IBAN D893704044053. Store the returned recipient ID. Step 6, fund your Wise balance. Make a post of v3 profiles, profile ID /balances, balances /fries, top up to add money. Step 7, create a transfer. Post as v1 transfers with JSON, target account recipient ID, amount, value 100, currency, EUR, transfer purpose, verification.transfers.purpose.other. Step 8, fund the transfer. Post as v3 profiles /profile ID /transfers/transfer ID payments with your chosen fund source, e.g. type balance. Step 9, monitor transfer status. Get v1 transfers /transfer ID periodically to check if it's completed. Tip, always handle errors gracefully and secure your token. Never expose it publicly. And that's it. You've now integrated the Wise API and can automate international payments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more coding and finance guides. Thanks for watching.